Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you if this laptop has a camera. So the simple answer to this question is yes, of course your device has a camera. It's located right above your screen in the middle. It has a manual security shutter that you can open or close with your finger, and this way you will prevent your camera from accidentally turning on. It doesn't have any infrared scanners, so you cannot use it for Windows Hello facial recognition, and that's basically all I can say about it. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.